yayagala okuzaala and they were forced to terminate, I think. But this person tagenda kwagala mukazi mwavu bajja you will engage n'obwoya bukugwe ku magulu mukwano naye nga oyogera ku kyokuzaala obolooza ogenda funa olubuto he makes you settle down labira kunze eyali public lwaki siri naye. Of course they always tell you those people are the problem, you know, bagamba tosala gwakawala kati owuliriza gwakalenzi, but you don't know. Bw'oba oli mwavu nga tolinamu kasente nolowooza nti omuntu ono ojja mutegesa olubuto oswadde ojja zijja mpaka, because this person deals with people that have paper. Bw'oba tolinaamu tojja kukola, naye wali eri mu byabakulu ojja kubaawo oli olina okubeerawo awo. I'm talking about someone who only wants to story time. You're dealing with someone I went back to until I got tired. That is one. I went through a lot while pregnant. This person proposed to someone on Manya WhatsApp video call when I was pregnant. This person had plans of getting married in Kenya when I was pregnant. This person got someone pregnant when they went to the UK when I was pregnant. So do you know what I dealt with? I went back until I got tired. By the time when nagamba nti kati nkoye, because mwena mmanyi stories tuvudde wala naye nno omuntu ngamanyi nti tulina ennaku yaffe tugenda kwezimba, you know, like everyone is always positive about their people and all that. Naye as the saying goes, gwewezimbye naye afuna omulala oba, you know. Anyway, this person has written before ngagamba sirina kyenkolaki chemugaso ba chemuyamba. I've never been supportive, sina chemugattako, but we all know, if you know Mickey seems too funny, you know Bashwa Mickey, and you know the value attachment that comes with that. Now yeah, like I was saying, this is the person I dealt with all this time. And nadayo, love is love. I went back as much as I could until I got tired. By the time I got tired, my son was 2 months. Era nali nakazaala nga amaze tuyisa mubiri byonna pregnant. Yetonze. Okay, we made things better. Nali ndya omwana yakaweza emyezi 2 and I get these texts. A lot of texts from a random number. Bangamba kwagirako ne videos. Kwagirako videos. Emotoka jolabe awe waka sina ya mwesi ya msajja ya mkazi bichi omunu yafunisa no omukazi olubuto naye ravamu naye akazi mubonye olubuto ravamu oba nam neglecting. I don't know, that was last year, so I'm not so certain sibijukira bulungi. There was that woman waliwo gwe bajjako essimu nga beekyaye. So I have dealt with a lot. And at this point where I feel I've been disrespected enough, so I want to officially come out and say,